Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we dive right into how to use UPBASE for club committee management, the full 2025 guide. First up, you need to set up your club committee on UPBASE. The reason we do this is to have a centralized platform where all your committee details and activities are kept. From the dashboard, click on New Committee, fill in the necessary details, and click Create. Now that we've done that, it's time to add members to your committee. Go to Committee Members, select Add Member, input their details, and assign them roles. This helps us because it ensures each member has a specific role and knows their responsibilities. Next up, we'll schedule meetings. Click on Meetings, then Schedule Meeting. Fill in the details such as date, time, and agenda. The reason we do this is to keep everyone in the loop about the committee's activities and upcoming meetings. Once your meetings are scheduled, you'll want to manage your tasks. Go to Tasks, select New Task, and assign it to a committee member. Let me explain why this matters. This feature allows you to delegate tasks effectively, ensuring everything gets done in a timely manner. Finally, you'll want to monitor your committee's progress. Click on Dashboard, and you'll see an overview of your committee's activities, including tasks completed and upcoming meetings. This gives you a snapshot of how your committee is performing and what needs to be done next. And there you have it. You've mastered how to use UPBASE for club committee management. Remember, effective management starts with effective tools. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in our next tutorial.